Yeah, so David, sandbags are the name of the game here in Estacada as low-lying residents prepare for likely floodwaters. We spoke with one man who says he's a little nervous as his home sits right on the riverbank. A rushing Clackamas River means a truck bed full of sandbags for Rob Hudson.
I did 25 bags yesterday, and I'm back here, probably gonna do another 25 today.
Hudson and his son's homes both on Paradise Road, which sits right on the Clackamas River. With his son out of town, Hudson is stepping in to try his best to waterproof the house.
Try to get all of his doors, covered up with sandbags and things, because everybody who's lived there for a time says that this flood level will get to his house. So at about 23 feet, it'll come above these stairs.
Hudson took us down to he and his son's properties to show us how it floods.
Well, at about 18 feet, it goes to the base of those stairs. 20 feet, even though, that's way more than 2 feet, just the amount of water that's in the river brings it up way higher than that here. So 2 feet does not equal 2 feet.
The National Weather Service predicts the Clackamas River will reach more than 25 feet overnight or into Friday morning, which places the river in the major flood category. Hudson's new house built on stilts to be up to code since it's at such a flood risk, but Hudson says he still has flood prep to do.
We have a carport, trying to figure out places to put our cars, moving things out of the yard, all that sort of stuff, and making sure we have water and things in case we lose electricity or, anything like that.
There's a couple areas. We know at least one area is probably going to get a road covered with water.
Estacada City Manager Melanie Wagner says the city of Estacada is not in the major flood risk like the spots along the river northwest of town, but they are monitoring the situation closely.
With the rain coming down the way it is, it certainly could. So I think it's always better to be over-prepared than under-prepared.
And crews were out clearing storm drains yesterday, and also signs like this that say high water. Actually, you can see right now cars and vans driving through where it's flooded right here on Broadway between Liberty and 10th. This is one of those spots that historically is flood prone in Estacada, so that's why those signs are there. Back to you.
All right, Jake Holter keeping an eye on things in Estacada. Thanks, Jake.